After the Snowstorm, March 2nd, 2012. Brought to you by Douglas J. Flash Entertainment. The snow on Fresno Avenue tells me that there's going to be some pretty good skiing conditions at Heavenly, so I can't wait to get there. Unfortunately, most other people can't wait to get there too. There's the lift line waiting for the lift to open at Gun Barrel Cherry. Ridge Run is my favorite warm-up run at Heavenly Ski Resort, and with the new snow we had an interesting combination of Loon Run followed by powder, followed by Loon, followed by powder, and I also had the opportunity to race a snowmobile down at the bottom, and luckily I beat him. Hopefully they didn't know who I was. In any event, it was a lot of fun. So this is Ridge Run. Next, let's go over to High Five, another great run at Heavenly Ski Resort on the California side. Here we find some powder snow to play in. Finally, we get to Scorpion Woods. This is one of the better powder stashes at Heavenly Ski Resort. It's skiers right off of Stagecoach Run. Stagecoach Run today was a really nice bump run. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the skiing, and look forward to more videos in the future as we get more storms. So from Heavenly Ski Resort, this is Doug Flash. Bye now.